Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shapes in Metatrader 4. Adding shapes in Metatrader 4 is easy. Open your Metatrader 4 application and sign into your account first. Once you end up in the Codes tab, tap on the Chart option at the bottom. Inside Charts tab, press anywhere on the middle of the screen in order to bring up this toolbar. Now click on Objects. On the next page, tap on Add Object and then scroll all the way down until you see the Shapes option. From the Shapes option, choose the desired shapes. You will be able to see rectangle, triangle, and ellipse. Choose any one shape you'd like to add to your chart, and this will take you to your charts page. Now go ahead and press on the area where you want the object to appear, and there you have created a shape. Drag the edges in order to make your shape appear bigger or smaller according to your preference. After adjusting its size or position, you can also change the color, style, transparency, and coordinates of the object. And that's how you easily add a shape in Metatrader 4. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more Metatrader 4 tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.